Today we're here in the HVGS playground and we're going to go ask our high schoolers questions about our upcoming production. You excited to come to the production?
Very. HVGS productions are one of my favourite things about working here.
What is your favourite character from Willy Wonka?
Definitely Grandpa Joe.
Probably Willy Wonka.
Veruca.
Mrs. Bucket or Charlie. I just think they're really cute. They're really wholesome.
Very wholesome characters.
Yeah.
Augustus.
Augustus Gloop.
Veruca Darling.
Veruca Salt. Charlie.
Say Charlie. What is your favourite sweet treat?
The everlasting gobstopper.
Probably brownies or caramel slice.
Jolly Ranchers.
Some cookies hit hard.
Sour Patch Kids.
The Marvellous Creation chocolate. Oh!
Toblerone.
Mint chocolate chip ice cream.
Reese's Pieces. Condensed milk straight out of a tank. Raspberry Bullets. I like sour straps.
Hey guys, we're here at the Music and Drama Block and we're going to go interview the stage manager for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So we're here with the stage manager, Miss Gray, and she's going to answer some questions for us. It's Tuesday opening night, so what kind of emotions are we feeling?
I am feeling a lot of emotions. The top one is excitement, a little bit nervous, but I think it's nervous energy that you get before anything that you want to do a good job at. There's going to be lots of singing, loads of dancing, lots of jokes, lots of colour. It's going to be fabulous.
Some people may have missed their chance on tickets. Are there any more left?
Unfortunately, I think there's very few, if there are. We released and we sold out pretty quickly. Otherwise, we have our Wednesday matinee during the day. So if you're available, get to that one.
What have you been doing in the lead up to the show?
Everybody has been working so hard. There has been a lot of extra hours going in to bring you guys the best show we possibly can.
This is the last The Real Show episode. Is there any more information we can get about the behind the scenes of the musical?
We have had a fabulous team taking footage throughout the whole process, and they are going to release a documentary later in the year with all the behind the scenes footage that you don't want to miss. So make sure you keep an eye out for that.
Miking you up.
Thank you.
There we go.
Hi, we're doing a documentary and I'm really excited.
It's the first rehearsal.
I'm ready for my questions.
We are doing some scene runs.
I was a bit lost at the start, but now everyone's we've got near the rhythm.
We don't know.
Yes, all of the costumes, all of the props.
Yes, it's going to be very busy.
Buying tickets.